2024 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You'll love this long list of impressive amenities, which include the following: lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, 4-wheel drive, running boards and/or side steps, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, keyless start, power outlet, keyless entry, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, limited slip differential, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights. Get pre-approved now and make this your next vehicle.